Welcome to episode 7 of the Macklen electric bike project. Today we're going to be doing some speed and distance tests for you. Let's get some good footage. Alright, so we're back home now, and I think that was a real success. We got 27 kilometers an hour, and hopefully we got some footage of that riding along. According to the GPS, we clocked up 3.3 kilometers before it really started running out of power. I had lots of fun building this, and I'm really pleased it worked as well as it did. So that's all for our electric bike project, and I hope I'll see you in the future for something new.